Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about sine A equal to cosine of B over 2 minus A. Now we need to transform this one into this one. Next, we have second formula in here. Cosine 2a equals to 1 minus 2 sine a squared in here. So, in this situation, b over 2 minus s, that is about number 2 multiplied by b over 4 minus s over 2. And now capital A, that is about this one. And now we need to transform this one into this one. Now we have the formula in here. The integration of this one, we have 1 over bs plus c, and this should be about first derivative. And the next one, we have e. This is about elliptic integral of the second kind. So now the next one, I will put this one gone here, and later that coefficients, that is about a, I will put in here, and we put about c. Now we can apply the formula for this one. So first derivative of this one, we have negative 1 over 2, and this one we have negative number 2, and that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.